Hi everyone, I am Carli Ludinie. Journey with me to how I got to this moment. I was born and raised in Portland Cottage, Clarendon. In 2016, I had my son. Shortly after, I was diagnosed with acute transverse myelitis. It was a scary period of my life. I lost feelings in my feet. It was ascending rapidly and the doctors didn't know what to do. I could only reach out to God for that connection when the world was white. Pure white for me. I saw nothing. I felt nothing. I heard nothing. My loved ones that I held dear could do nothing for me. Only God could bring me through this phase of my life. After doctors convened, consulted, debated, I was treated with prednisone 50 and I was discharged from the hospital. After leaving the hospital, I started taking prednisone 50 and B12. The side effect was devastating. My hair started falling out. I had like a mohawk. And I started shedding like a snake. My skin's just fall off.
God, through his servant, Bishop McCarthy, spoke to me.
And he said, come off the prednisone and put your trust in me. I can do this for you. I know you. I know who you are. I came off the pills, and trust me when I say that God got me. He held me and he made the impossible possible. Here, I could start walking on my own again. Started feeling sensations and everything was 90% back to normal as how it should be. And for that, I can only thank God, because without him, nothing would have been possible. Me standing here talking to you would not be possible. From that experience, I've come to realize how important life is and how not to take anything or anyone for granted.
My passion is to help you to build a connection with your loved ones, be it through family games, fellowship, speaking what's in your heart, or simple being selfless in your act towards each other. Being hospitable to you in wherever area I'm called to serve, or being of service in.
Our lives are like tales that are told.
So let us leave memories that will live on through generations. Thank you for watching.